What's good, YouTube? Told y'all I was gonna drop y'all a little video of me grilling. Shit. Let me show y'all these motherfuckers. Motherfuckers, they looking right. Looking right. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Shit, let me go ahead and get these motherfuckers on up, because these motherfuckers are ready. Yeah. Y'all wanna see the final wind? Yeah, look at the motherfucking New York strips. Alright, y'all. Shout out to all my likers and subscribers. You boys about to eat good, as always. Alright, y'all. God bless.